Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to invite users to the platform and assign them roles. Start by heading to the Users section from the admin homepage. Subject to having the right role, you can get back to the admin homepage at any time with your platform's URL followed by /dashboard. In the Users section, you will see an Invite button in the top right corner. Select it to continue. The Invite User box will appear. Input the user's email address. This will be validated in real time, meaning only real email addresses can be used. Then enter their first and last name. And give the user a relevant preset role. In this example, we have chosen Employee. The account isn't valid on the platform until the employee has verified their email address. Select Invite. And repeat the process as many times as you need for your other users. Users are often provisioned automatically when signing in for the first time through single sign-in, or when accepting an offer from an applicant tracking system. Applaud's workflow system can be used to automate the assigning of roles as part of this process. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more by checking out Applaud Academy and our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.